Oh, let's see if he do a good glue burnout. They putting that glue on there now. He might do better on that glue. No chemical! Hey! Oh yeah, he ready now. That bitch ain't. I was about to say no chemical, but shit, he still. See chemical! See chemical! Oh, it didn't cut off. Okay. Okay. Let me see where TikTok bidding at since they know everything. TikTok, we over here on my YouTube channel betting money, y'all. We passing out 20s and 100s and everything. Y'all get on here. I'll take the left lane on this race. Damn, both of them then jumped out the goddamn lights with their trans brake. He done passed the beams and he ain't in there yet. Okay, come on with it, man. All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. For the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. He went back around his ass. Damn. And right lane shit was spinning. I mean, God. He hit that nos, y'all. Somebody say he must hit that nos or something. They believe that nos just bring you back. They feel like a nos button. That's what they call it anyway, nos. Yeah, brother, hit that freaking nos. It's gonna make you come back. You can bring 8 cars behind you, freaking hit the freaking nos button. And it brings you back in front, dude. It's freaking badass. It doesn't blow your motor or anything. Yeah, man, he had that freaking nos, man. I thought about getting me some, but I heard it blows your motor, man. It freaking tears it up. You're gonna need more pistons. Right there, tell him right there in that glue. I gotta watch his ass if he go up too far. See. Hey, look out, all my TikTokers, man. Uh-oh. Well, he got a nice ass cam in that motherfucker though. Look out, all my TikTokers, y'all. We live on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man, in HD. All the people that come over says look better and everything. So we at 24,000 subs right now. It'd be nice if I can get some of them TikTokers to come on over to my YouTube channel, put it on your big screen TV, turn your phone sideways. Yeah, Look Out Racing on my YouTube channel. If you come on over here on my TikTok, I'm zooming in and everything, y'all. We got the zoom working. Yeah. Who y'all want to go talk to, man? We got extra cars and shit coming up here, man. People looking tired, all that, man. Yeah, let me pass out a card or two. Look out. That's my YouTube channel, y'all. Look Out Racing. Tell your friend. Yeah, he got an extra one right there. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Hey, girl. Look, this is my YouTube channel, y'all. Lookout Racing. Make sure you delay through Theo, delay through Awalito, everybody. Yeah, delay through Novio. Yeah, I got the sticker too, man. Bam. Yeah, he fully subscribed, y'all. Okay, there you go, right there. What's up with it?
That's why I text you, say, can he ride?
Yeah.
I know he too little.
Yeah,
But he
yeah,
got
they
that
follow.
bad caprice over there.
Yeah, I
man.
got that caprice
That's
over there,
Lookout
man.
right
Look out, look out.
That's why we come out here, because of Lookout. They
Yeah.
didn't want to give him no shout out, but that's
Yeah.
why we came out here, because of Lookout.
Yeah, already. I sure appreciate it, man.
Already, bro.
They said they came out here because of me. He
That's the only reason
he
why
seen
I
they ain't
came.
want to give me no shout out.
Say, they ain't want to give him no shout out. I be saying Lookout. That's why I come out here, because Lookout.
Yeah, already. I appreciate it,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
Already. They
They
showing-
mango lemonade up there, too, man.
Yeah, I'm about to go get me one. They got that mango lemonade. Yeah. Look out all my people that's watching on TikTok, man. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We live in HD. Uh-oh. Something happened to this shit. Something happened. Damn, is he gonna make it? Transmission or something. Huh? In the car. Okay, we got Calvin Cruel from TikTok. What's up with it, Calvin? We got Calvin. Welcome all my TikTokers. Y'all are in the building. Oh, snap. Okay, we got Rick Fun 95. Rick Fun 95 from TikTok. What's up with it, man? Appreciate it, man.